I had a thought which I wanted to share. It is important for Muslims to recognize why they worship Allah, the Exalted, as this reason can be a cause for an increase in obedience to Allah, the Exalted, or in some cases it can lead to disobedience. When one worships Allah, the Exalted, in order to gain lawful worldly things from Him, they run the risk of becoming disobedient to Him. This type of person has been mentioned in the Holy Quran. Chapter 22 Al-Hajj, verse 11.
And of the people is he who worships Allah on an edge. If he is touched by good, he is reassured by it, but if he is struck by trial, he turns on his face. He has lost this world and the hereafter. That is what is the manifest loss.
As they obey Allah, the Exalted, in order to receive worldly blessings, the moment they fail to receive them or encounter a difficulty, they often become angered, which turns them away from the obedience of Allah, the Exalted. These people often obey and disobey Allah, the Exalted, according to the situation they are facing, which in reality contradicts true servanthood to Allah, the Exalted. Even though desiring lawful worldly things from Allah, the Exalted, is acceptable in Islam, yet, if one persists with this attitude, they may become like those mentioned in this verse. It is far better to worship Allah, the Exalted, in order to be saved in the hereafter and obtain paradise. This person is unlikely to alter their behavior when encountering difficulties. But the highest and best reason is to obey Allah, the Exalted, simply because He is their Lord and the Lord of the universe. This Muslim, if sincere, will remain steadfast in all situations, and through this obedience, they will be granted both worldly and religious blessings which outstrip the worldly blessings the first type of person would ever receive. To conclude, it is important for Muslims to reflect on their intention, and if necessary, correct it, so that it encourages them to remain firm on the obedience of Allah, the Exalted, by fulfilling His commands, refraining from His prohibitions, and by facing destiny with patience in all situations. Over 400 free ebooks, audiobooks, infographics, podcasts and blogs available on our website, www.shaykhpod.com.